Hi everyone, welcome back to another self-care session. Today I'm sharing my complete skincare routine, the products I have genuinely been using since a long time and absolutely love. So let's get started. The first step is something which I don't do every day, but whenever I feel like my skin needs a fresh start. On those days I do face shaving. I apply a generous layer of aloe vera gel. The one I am using is the Era aloe vera gel and it does the job. This gel provides a smooth surface for the razor to glide on. If you are trying shaving, always use a clean facial razor and hold it at a slightly tilted angle instead of pressing it flat against your skin. Also, shave in small sections with gentle strokes. It gives you much better control and helps avoid cuts and irritation. And no, face shaving doesn't make your hair grow back thicker. I have been shaving since the last almost 9 to 10 years now and I haven't experienced any of the thicker hair. It's just a myth. It mainly removes peach fuzz and dead skin cells, leaving your skin feeling smoother and making your makeup sit so much better. Also, I like to shave in the upward direction as it makes my skin much smoother. Once that done, I wash my face to remove any leftover gel and tiny hair. My skin already looks so fresh and clean. Now let's move on to my cleansing routine. Since I'm doing an extensive skincare routine today, I'm using this Face Shop oil cleanser which helps in double cleansing my face. It is a very good cleanser and removes all the makeup or sunscreen residue that I have used in the morning. After I'm done with the oil cleanser, I use the Derma Co Salicinamide face wash because it does a great job of removing all the dirt, oil, sunscreen and pollution that builds up during the day. And for my morning cleanse, I always reach out to the simple face wash. It's super gentle and doesn't strip my skin. These two face washes have been some of my favorite skincare products. Next comes exfoliation. I'm using the Neutrogena blackhead scrub. It has really fine exfoliating particles. It helps remove dead skin without feeling too hard. And my skin feels incredibly soft and smooth after using this. I only exfoliate once in a week because over exfoliating can damage your skin barrier. Now it's time for one of my favorite steps, the Foxtale face mask. I've been using this face mask since many months now and it's very helpful in removing tan. I apply an even layer and leave it on around for 20 minutes. Whenever my skin looks dull or tanned after spending time outdoors, this mask makes it look much fresher and brighter. And now my skin feels squeaky clean, refreshed and ready for the final skincare step. First, I use the Plum Vitamin C toner. It feels so refreshed and helps my skin achieve that brighter and healthier looking glow. Then I lock in all the hydration with the Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. It's very lightweight, non-greasy and perfect for everyday use. Since I have an oily combination skin, this is a perfect moisturizer for me. And finally, I can never skip my Laneige lip sleeping mask. It's been my holy grail for keeping my lips soft and hydrated. And that's all for my complete skincare routine. Every product that you saw today, I have been using consistently for many time now. And they have honestly worked really well for my skin. Of course, everyone's skin is different, so choose products according to your skin type. I hope you enjoyed spending this little self-care session with me. And if you did, let me know your favorite skincare product in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.